Good morning. I mean, good afternoon. Alright, let's quickly analyze this shit. Still respecting this. We haven't come lower than that. Looking strong on the week. It looks like we're about to come up and take these highs. Then now I've been waiting to take them highs for a while. So nothing's stopping us there. Nothing really to look at here. Obviously, that's going to be a next target as well. We've also got this high, which possibly will give us a reaction, but at the same time we've already reacted off it. Lower down we've got a 4-hour fair value gap. I'm gonna draw that out because it doesn't actually exist on a one. So we'll see. We're not kind of bouncing off anything at the moment. Just gonna write this out as well. That's a 4-hour. Nothing to look at there really. That 4-hour gap is going to be confirmed when it hits 2 o'clock anyway. So on a 15, we are currently just selling off heavily. Why? I thought we made a bit of a range here. It's not really the biggest IFVG in the world. But we've come down, took a lot of liquidity. I kind of don't want this 4-hour fair value up there because it's going to make me think that it needs to come lower when it really doesn't. I think this is actually quite a strong move. I might get in on this. 6 pips, I think it's 4 lots. It is. Hang on. It's not really a range though. No, it kind of is. I'm gonna go for this. I quite like it. It's early on in the day as well. Let's just see if we can catch something nice. Going for 19, if we can get in on 19. Not sure about this trade, you know. Right, this might get away from me if I'm not careful. I do quite like it, not gonna lie. God, don't fucking know if I do like this actually. Nah, I'm gonna miss this. I'm gonna skip it. I don't feel confident in it. It should go, but I just don't feel confident in it. We've inverted that as well. Do we invert on the 15? No. It's more of a 15-minute self as well. I feel like I fucking should be in on this, man. I'm in. Shouldn't close back below this, you know. I don't think I should be in this. I do not think I should be in this. I need to get out of this. Although this is exactly what happened yesterday. This is the exact move. Hoping we don't fucking make a fair value gap here though. Okay, hang on. Let's just really see what's going on here. Are we ranging here? We are. We are, and we've just come below and swept it. The only thing is we've got a 4-hour Fair Valley gap to be made here. And I guess the downside to this move is that there's no AMD entry, which I did kind of make as a rule recently. If there's no entry for the AMD, then it's not an entry model for me. Like, this is a 15-minute AMD, like kind of AMD, where there was no AMD here for this setup, for this entry. A lot of selling pressure going on right now. I'm glad we what's it called rejected a little bit at the last minute. Then I'd have hated to close like proper strong. I think we're gonna lose this. Yeah, we've lost. Oh, such an impatient start to the day this is. It's an unnecessarily impatient start to the day as well. That's what's annoying about it. Hang on, I lost how much? 220, you know, that is rude. Alright. So yesterday's win got writ off. Let's just journal that now. It's an unnecessary start, man. Went for a buy. Who's in at 13.41 and out at 13.48. £2%. £220.50. Took £30 on the commission, that did. Alright, that was a silly loss. Just screenshot that. You gotta be honest with yourself, don't you? Alright, cool. I'm gonna tweet it and then we're gonna look for some more setups. Silly move. It's not a clear AMD. That's just price moving. Silly move, but it is what it is. But we'll make it back. I'm sure of it. I think the problem was that like these are like kind of my old setups, like order blocks and thingies in front of order blocks and stuff like that. So this is kind of like my old, yeah, it's just like what I used to look for, but it's a silly idea really. That's going to be the next load to be taken. Part of me wants to get in on that and just sweep the low, but that'll be silly. Looks like we never ever saw profit, never got a chance to break even either. Alright, let's tweet this real quick. Fucking AMD, man. I'm truly gutted that I've took this loss today, you know. Really did not need to happen. I swear I replied to that. What? 1 second, peeps. Need to check me Instagram. Oh, that is so long. I fucking typed out a massive thing. How is that? Alright, I'm back. Mate, this low is bound to get hit now. Absolutely bound by the laws of nature to get hit. Also that Fev. Is it actually bound? Yeah, it is. To be honest, if that gets hit, then this is going to be a super high probability chance to get in on these trades. And if this inverts, I'm in. We've got a small little slowdown here. Although if it inverts, it's going to actually close this, which is not a good look. Just realised that. Fuck you, it's just closed it. Alright, we got a little AMD set up though. To be honest, that needs to sell a bit more. Because you wouldn't want that to close and invert that. I think it will. No, it hasn't. Nice. It's a good setup. Tis a good setup. Although it's already took. Don't do it. You've learnt your lesson. I'd hate to take 2 losses and it be because I've been impatient. I need to see IFBGs happening. Fucking hell, look at that. Bastard. We should come into that. Like if we're making our 4 hour as well, we should just come in and sweep into that. I wouldn't. I couldn't have. I couldn't have been more wrong for that move. Man, my impatient ass just cannot sit still, can it? It's more of a waiting game, unfortunately. Mm. Alright, we took some liquidity. Man, why did I have to take this loss? Oh, well, it is what it is. We can still make 4%. We're kind of back to the start on this one, so. Oh yeah, I was basically thinking about how I can make like what I can expect to make each month, and I was thinking like 4% is a good one to aim for, really. I'll be very surprised if we invert this. I'm going to be in the trade if we invert this. How about that? I don't know why I feel so impatient, like I'm desperate to fucking get a trade or something. This is not. This is nice that it's accumulating here. It's a good look. Plus this 5 minute fair value gap below. If we can go into that and invert coming out of it, then I might look at getting in. This is really nicely accumulating now, actually. I'd really like to see it come lower before taking its high, but we don't always get what we want, you know. We don't always get what we want. Looks like it's kind of fighting this fair value up as well. Oh, it did invert it. Why is Discord fuck up my fucking laptop at the moment? Stupid. Can't handle the Discord. It was actually quite annoying that we had to come up before we went down, because I feel like that kind of throws my plan out the window now. Can expect this candle to at least take out these lows, I feel like, at this point. There's your accumulation, there's your manipulation, here comes your distribution. Nice. So annoying, because if this hadn't gone above that now, this would be a long setup. Oh, it's closed the gap anyway, which is even more annoying. That high should get taken next now, but it's not my setup. Interesting. Okay, so we got a 15-minute FVG right now. So it's pretty much the same size as the 3-minute one was. So now actually this becomes a larger accumulation. There's levels to these accumulations, I guess. Which does make sense. We've got equal lows there. We've got like us kind of failing to break above highs. Yeah, I'd call it a larger accumulation. Even that it's slowing down there is giving that even more relevance. It's cold, man. Or what about if I picked other bits from the other 3 takes? Because then obviously your tone would be similar, but it just might have a cleaner take. Let me know what you think, because I feel like it could, but I just feel like it's not going to look as real as it could be, and it is, yeah, it kind of is just a little bit dishonest at the same time. Not that it matters really, because it's just like a video, but do you know what I mean? Like, I want to start as we mean to go on. Alright, this is looking much nicer now, especially with this low here, this low, this low, all these lows, all these highs. I could pretty much confirm that this is an accumulation now. So if we come down to this, reject this fair value gap, which would be great, and then if we make a little inversion, then this is going to be a great setup. I feel like it will be a great setup. We need a nice FVG though. Don't want it to close like that. Don't close like that. Come on, give me a nice close. Alright, I'll take that. I just want to see push down now. Yes, nice. Give me an FVG. Give me an FVG. And I'll love you forever. I'd like a further push, to be honest, a bit further. I want to see a close below this low. That's what I would like to see. Go on, close below the low. Alright, let's get our stop loss set then. Looking like it could be 4 pips at this point, which is 6 lots. Would still definitely like to see a close below this low. But we have entered into that fair value gap, so it's not essential really. Nice, okay, we closed below the low. That's what I was looking for. Okay, coming a bit further. Do 5.5. Well, no, I'll do 5, fuck it. This is looking good. Come and taps into that nicely. This is a much higher probability setup right now. The only annoying thing is we've got news coming up in like 15 minutes, so I need to be very careful with this. We need to get in this ASAP, really. That is actually so annoying that we've got news coming up. There's going to be red folder in it. Fucking PMI news, man. Such a piss take. I don't think I'm going to get in this now. I don't know whether to try and get in on this and get a little scalp, hoping that it's going to take the high before news, but I feel like I might be pushing my luck. I have literally 10 minutes to get in on it. $86 is the maximum. I could go below 86 though, and we could get in on this. Alright, we're gonna close it. And I hope I don't fucking regret getting in on this, you know. Really hope I don't regret this shit. Fucking got in at 88, didn't I? I thought he gave me 86. And then it went, alright, fuck it. And I'm overexposed. Fuck! Oh, mate, nah, I don't like this already. Get me out of this. I've got a bad feeling about this already. Now I'm up green, I don't want to close. Is that how I'm doing it? 10 minutes to hit. I don't know what to do here, man. It is about protecting your capital, innit? And I feel like I should play this safer than this. I feel like I should play this a lot safer, but now we're up green. I don't wanna. But if this holds me down in the red until for the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna be pissed, bro. I'm gonna be so fucking pissed. Really gotta make a decision here. Alright, next break even, I'm closing. If we go back to break even, I'm closing. That's my decision. Anywhere near 0, I'm closing it out. I need to see the time. Yeah, stops break even now. If we can get some money before the trip, before news, then good. If not, then we don't. Nice. Very nice. That was a risky move, but we'll take it. Back to where we started today, pretty much, minus the I'm starting to think that I fucking should be trading these macros as well, because I don't know, just makes sense, innit? 49, I was 48, 49, 48. 52. Oh, Jesus. And that one we made £197. 79. To be honest, I would have held for longer if it wasn't news coming up, but not That is a fucking textbook trade for me, that is. Right, accumulation up here. Could definitely have played that better, but news was coming. I did not want to fucking take the risk. I might keep trading for a bit longer today. See what we can catch. Alright, just gonna share that with the world. Let's see how damaging this news is anyway. I'm right about it as well. We've got 2 minutes till news. Oh man, that could have got aim for that high as well. I don't know where this news candle's gonna go. I like seeing a news candle. Let's see. Are we gonna come and take out these high, or are we gonna come and take out these lows? Or are we just gonna not do anything? Oh man, look at the size of that fucking spread, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it even left it left it behind on that, for fuck's sake. That is outrageous, that is. Alright, so we came and took Oh right, we took the daily target, did we? No, we didn't. That is nuts. Okay, let's write about this win. Textbook setup on this one. Waited patiently for the accumulation for the AMD IFBG, and I was in. The only thing that made this risky trade was that news was coming at 3 p.m. I had confidence in the setup, but I just didn't want to be trapped in drawdown until news hit. Once I entered, I couldn't decide on closing early or not. But once we hit 100, I moved so as to break even, just so I wouldn't have to make the difficult decision. Luckily, TP hit straight away. Alright, that is all good then. Let's clear this off and we will start a fresh chart. Right, is that my equal highs target there? That's fucking mission away. I know that's weekly. Oh, it's there. Yeah, I was gonna say that's fucking miles away. Alright. So we're still bullish. This is all looking nice. Shouldn't be anything that stops us really now. No reason to come lower. So let's just wait for some like 15-minute or 5-minute gaps. And I can get in. Alright, I'm gonna save this one for now because I need to do some editing, and I'm gonna take a setup if it occurs. I will start recording as well if we do get one. But OBS can't handle both, so I'm gonna have to cancel this for now. But peace, decent day today. At least we made back the last.